lagoons, beaches, water park, pretty much everything. Here's the large Waterslide tower. That's the largest water slide in North America, I guess, or tallest. I don't know if I can do that one because it's awfully high to climb. We got a kids area over here. We got like hill slides and splash things. I'm getting my feet wet. Oh, there's that splash. One of the bars on the island, I guess, is Camping Jacks. We got a pirate ship over here for the kids. These are boats or ships. Wander on the left and freedom on the right. So this is the Whirl Waterpark. Here's the water tower, Waterslide tower. We have 3 lockers here. It says turn knob to unlock.
That's a one and done.
Woo, we just came down there. That was crazy. It was like pitch black. I didn't think it was gonna be dark like that. We just came down there. It was like I couldn't even tell you what was happening. I was going so fast. And then a lot of it was in the dark. I thought it would be like lights or something, or if there was, I couldn't even tell you where they were or what was happening. It was crazy. Okay. Here, so go like this. Okay.
All right, here we go.
came down the green one. I think that might be enough of these. Here's the other water slides. And I have another pool area. I think I'm just gonna do the inner tube one at the racing one. This is where they come out over here. Top of the other water slide. Looking out at the park, we're going to be going down this one here next. That's the one we're going down. Woo! My God. Oh, we're spinning. Whoa. Woo. Whoa. Woo. Woo. Oh. Oh my God. Woo. Woo. Oh. Oh. Oh, that was fun. Woo. Woo. Oh, you made it. You made it. Got it? Yep. All right.
All right.
Did it. Woo. So we just came out of the purple and the blue. Here we go. Woo! Oh my God. Oh! Oh my God. Oh no, I'm going backwards. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh my God. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. Oh.
You okay?
Yeah. Oh my God. Oh wow.
That was good.
Yeah, that was like a roller coaster.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Woo. Yeah. Woo. Oh my God. Whoa. Woo. Oh my God. Oh no, I'm like that. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh my God. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. Oh. Woo!
You okay?
Yeah. Woo! Oh my God. Oh wow.
That was good.
Yeah, that was like a roller coaster. Oh
Yeah.
my God. Woo! That was great. Okay, this is my partner on the water slide. What's your name?
Bobby
Bobby.
from Pennsylvania.
From Pennsylvania. Nice to meet you, Bobby.
Nice
Thanks
to
for
meet you.
coming.
Was you on the ship?
Sure.
Last night, so maybe we're running each other around.
Yeah, right.
I'm all over the place. So.
All right, take care. Use the wave pool. The wave pool feels really good because it's pretty warm here. It's kind of a shallow one too. So far, we're having a great day at Coco Cay. Whatever, perfect day at Coco Cay. Yeah, it's flopping everywhere. It's flopping.